it's Kerry. Lots of fun on my Playmobil horse farm today. Oh dear. I'm going to make the horse farm off camera so I've got more time to play with the animals. A look behind the scenes and feeding all the horses. Sarah and Matt from my other farm videos are visiting the horse farm today. This is the Playmobil Country Horse Farm. It's a really nice playset. And look at all the things you get in it. I'll show them all to you, but I'm going to make the farm up off camera. And now for some magic. I'm using my existing SUV and horse box to transport the new horses in. These horses come with the playset. And there's a foal as well. Sarah wants to feed the foal. A closer look at the black and white horse. There are lots of accessories, and here are 3 birds and a water trough. There's also a place for food. And another one for the brown horse. Some hay for the horse. A tree with flowers and a bird's nest and a butterfly will provide shade for the horses. These are the 2 figures that come with this set, and that cheeky horse is after the carrot. There's 3 boxes with all their combs and brushes in, 1 for each horse. Boxes to keep things tidy, a blanket, horse bridles, a saddle, 2 extra caps, riding crops and other tackle, and 2 prize ribbons. There's a wheelbarrow and some horse manure. Something to clean it up with, a broom and a hay fork, a crate with 3 carrots, a bucket with green food and a little bird. And here's the squirrels, 2 squirrels and 2 mice and 2 cats. I'm going to place 1 squirrel here in the garden and the other one in the tree. Uh-oh, clean up time. Let's have a look behind the scenes. And here's the 2 figures with the foal. The brown horse, it's got plenty of food and water there and fresh hay. And a place to store all the tackle, nice and neatly. The black and white horse, the broom and hay fork, bucket and the clean-up kit, and my boxes are stored on this shelf. And have a look up the top, the cats and the mice. The cats are chasing the mice. The mice are pretty smart. And now for a bit of a fun fight. And 2 more horses are joining the horse farm. And it must be time to feed them. Lots of fun on the farm today. Remember to tap the bell icon to be notified when my next new video is released. Thank you for watching my video. Please share my videos with your friends. See you again soon.